Scatter graph. A scatter graph, also known as a scatter plot, is a type of chart used to display the relationship between two variables. In a scatter graph, each data point represents a combination of values for the two variables being plotted. The horizontal axis of the scatter graph represents one variable, while the vertical axis represents the other variable. Each point on the graph corresponds to a particular value of both variables. The position of the point on the graph indicates the value of each variable for that data point. Scatter graphs are useful for identifying patterns or trends in data and for visualizing the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. A scatter graph can be used to identify whether the variables have a positive or negative correlation, or whether there is no correlation between them. This is a positive correlation, it's a negative correlation. And here we have no correlation. To draw a scatter graph, follow these steps. Choose the two variables you want to plot on the graph. One variable should be assigned to the x-axis, horizontal axis, and the other variable should be assigned to the y-axis, vertical axis. Determine the range of values for each variable and scale the axis accordingly. The scales should be evenly spaced and the interval between each tick mark should be the same on each axis. Plot each data point on the graph using a symbol or a dot. The location of each data point on the graph corresponds to the value of the x-axis and the y-axis variables. Once all data points have been plotted, examine the overall pattern of the data. Determine if there is a relationship between the two variables, and if so, what type of relationship it is: positive, negative, or no correlation. If desired, you can add a trend line, a straight line that best fits the data points, to the graph to help illustrate the relationship between the two variables. Label the x-axis and y-axis with the name of the variables and their units of measurement. Add a title to the graph that accurately describes the data being displayed. Finally, make sure the graph is easy to read and visually appealing by adjusting the font size, colors, and layouts as needed.